So, Natalie, what does your day-to-day look like? People always are asking, well, how many hours a day, how many hours a week? It's an absentee business, it's passive. This doesn't feel very passive to me.
We were just laughing on the webinar about the fact that how can you have no attendant here? You have to be here.
Right.
Like my day-to-day business is constantly talking to customers, texting, calling, emailing, invoicing, logistics with my drivers, with the girls who are actually physically doing the work. I'm constantly working.
So altogether,
Yeah.
how many people do you have on the payroll here to make this all happen?
9. Full-time, part-time. My drivers are, depending on when we deliver stuff back, they have their set days when they're here.
All right, Natalie, so we've got this 9 people that are here. Then you've got independent repair person you mentioned who's not on the payroll, but might as well be. In terms of the equipment that it takes to make this all happen, we saw a lot of it on the walkthrough, but you've got a wide variety of dryers in terms of capacities, everything from 75-pound singles down to 30-pound stacks. And then what is the washer kind of breakdown in terms of capacity? It looks like we've got some 20-pounders.
We've got some 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s, and actually 180 in the back.
What is the sort of the revenue breakdown? Is vended 50%? Is the other stuff, do you have a sense of what the percentages would break down to make the whole across the whole business?
Majority of it is self-service.
Okay.
We do a lot of drop-off laundry. I mean, we did a lot of business last year,
Right.
like a lot of business, and I would
Okay.
say it's about a quarter of what.
Yeah, the total in here.
Yeah, I would say that.
Yeah, I think that's the beauty of the business, right? Some people, it's a point of emphasis and it's 20, 30, 40% of the business. Other people, it's kind of a sideline. Oh, it's 5 or 10% of the business. So it just kind of depends on what you build up. So the revenue breakdown, I always like to use that, self-service is still the king.
It is. It is. That's how we make a living.